Hey backpackers, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Traveling United. There's no denying the fact that winter is the most tempting season when the urge for travel rises like a phoenix. We've rounded up the most beautiful places to visit in the winter in USA that will surely lend your mind, body, and soul an all-worthy treat. Number 1, North Pole, Alaska. If your heart pumps for snow, frozen lakes, and paradisiacal settings, the North Pole is your ultimate haven. Here, you can witness the entire city immersed in Christmas elation that also makes it one of the best places to visit in December in USA. To add to your delightful experience are the Northern Lights that impart you with a once-in-a-lifetime experience. With a population of only 2,740, Alaska is one of the happiest places in the USA. This quaint town is fully lit during Christmas when the annual North Pole Christmas and Ice Contest and the Winter Festival take place. While the contest welcomes ice sculptors to flaunt their craftsmanship, the festival gathers people for exciting activities and events. Besides this, Santa Claus House is another element that draws the attention of travelers. This huge store is crammed with aisles showcasing Christmas decorations and also a real Santa who calmly listens to everybody's Christmas wishes. Number 2, Whitefish, Montana. Underlined for its natural beauty, Whitefish is a small mountain town where oodles of tranquility prevails. The place is always dipped in complete zest to treat visitors with natural delights. So if your soul desires to loosen up in the lap of nature, spare some of your vacation days for this destination. Whitefish enjoys the vicinity of the emerald peaks of the Glacier National Park, as well as hanging valleys, and besides this, the lush alpine meadows, majestic mountains, soulful lakes, and glistening rivers exude utmost charm to set your mood. While being among the most beautiful places to visit in the winter in the USA, Whitefish has got numerous enjoyment opportunities for one and all. This quaint town features Whitefish Mountain Resort, where a myriad of winter activities like snowboarding and skiing are offered. If thrill is not what you fancy and you're more inclined towards arts, then head to Whitefish Theater Company, where remarkable theater performances can be enjoyed. What's more is this is the perfect place offering the best food, art, and culture. Number 3, Boulder, Colorado. Widely renowned as the city nestled between the mountains and reality, Boulder lets you enjoy the best of both worlds. With striking vistas and rocky mountains, contemporary lifestyle, and tremendous opportunities for winter activities, the enjoyment options in Colorado are multifold. While Flatirons enthralls you with its mystical slabs of sandstone, the Museum of Boulder allows you to peer into the history and present of the city. And for all the food connoisseurs, Boulder's Farmers Market can be indeed touted as one second home where a wide range of locally produced cheese, eggs, meats, herbs, wines, etc. are offered. Another marvel in the city is the Boulder Dushanbe Tea House, where the dexterity of craftsmen from Dushanbe can be witnessed in every corner. The awe-inspiring paintings and carvings are something you would love more than your tea and snacks here. All this and so much more make Boulder one of the best places to visit in winter in USA, where families as well as couples can get a dose of entertainment. Number 4, Vail, Colorado. Do you always go gaga when there's mention of winter sports? If yes is what your soul is screaming, make plans for this winter paradise right away. Enhancing the beauty of Colorado, Vail also imparts its visitors with a quintessential snow experience. From trying hands at skiing on the 5,289 acres of iconic terrain to relishing upon exotic delicacies at gourmet eats and other eateries, Vail is equipped with fun and mind-relaxing opportunities. Without a shred of doubt, you can expect the best winter vacations with snow in USA while visiting this renowned ski resort. When it comes to snow activities, the destination is not only confined to skiing or snowboarding. Other snow adventures like sleigh rides, snowshoeing, snowmobiling, and snow tubing equally spoil you. Skier or non-skier, you're bound to revel in the ecstasy of Vail. Number 5, Death Valley, California. Conjuring up the thoughts and fascination and mystery, Death Valley is a picturesque destination where nature meets adventure. Bragging magnificent mountains, barren salt flats, mystifying sailing stones, rainbow-colored mountains, and much more wonders, this place draws the attention of travelers from all around the globe. Although the temperatures are always soaring high here, winter makes the best season to witness the unusual elegance of this place. While being a top-notch national park in USA, Death Valley covers 3,000 square miles and takes pride in being the driest, hottest, and lowest point in North America. Don't underestimate it as a desolate wasteland, as once you explore this place, you'll enter a whole new world of adventure and nature's beauty. Doing justice to its name is Artist Palette, an area that puzzles visitors with its colorful hills. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can, as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.